Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video guys, I'm going to step by step on how to register on this app, how to make money on this app, and how everything works on this app. So if you are here on my channel for the first time, my name is Cynthia. You are most welcome. Make sure you watch this video until the end, because at the end of the video I'm going to give out important information that everyone should know. So make sure you watch the video until it gets to the end. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video, and also put on that notification, so every time I'll upload any new video you'll be getting notified. And again guys, if you are a returning subscriber on my channel, thank you so much for always watching my videos. I hope you learn a lot on my channel through the videos that I normally post or upload here on my channel. So let's get started. So the name of the app is MDAW. So I'm going to take you through on how to register um on this specific app, and I'm also going to show you how you can download this app, or you can use their website. So let's get started guys. So guys, the first thing is you need a link to register on this app, or to create account on this app. So I'm going to leave the link of the app on the description of the video, and I'm also going to tag I'm also going to put our group link. So make sure you join our group for more information and for other updates. So make sure you join our group, okay? It is WhatsApp group, and the link also of this app will be linked on the comment section. So make sure you check the two links. So guys, if the first time you click on the link, it will direct you to this page. So this is the first page that will appear when you click on the link. So this is the registration page. So the first thing you're gonna do is to put in your email address right here, then set a password, a login password to be specific, and remember to put something that you can always remember. And guys, something that you have to do after setting your password, make sure you come here to put it on a visible mode, so that you see what you set as your password. That won't bring issues when you are logging in. So the next thing you're gonna do is you come here to put your select your country, so that your country code can appear. So you come here, choose the country you are in or you're from, then you put your phone number here without zero. So don't start with a zero after putting your country code here. So what you're gonna do is this. You're gonna do this. You're gonna come here, select your country. We have many countries, almost all of them. So for example, if you're coming from Colombia, you just type Colombia, then you're gonna see it here. So we have all those names starting with C. You can see Colombia, Comoros, Congo. We have Congo, Kinshasa. We have many, like all the countries that you can ever imagine. I don't know which ones are not available here, but I guess all of them are available here. So after that, you click on for example, if you click on Colombia, then you click on confirm, then it will direct you back to the same page, that registration page right here. So here you're gonna start with the your number without zero. For example, if it is 07, so you exclude the zero, you put 7, okay, because of the code. So this is just an example. I don't know how Colombian numbers are though. So okay, this is the code for invitation, which will give you some extra $40 that I'm going to show you what you're going to do with them. So the next thing is you're gonna click on this section here. You can see this box here, so you're going to click on it to tick it. You can see it is okay. If you get it, it will be ticked. So if yours is not ticked, make sure you tick it, so it will appear orange. Is this orange or yellow? This is yellow, right? So make sure it is ticked, then click on register now. Register now. You can see the latest project success. You can see you join their channels, their Telegram, their YouTube, their everything. So you just click on these links. It will direct you to the website that they are required. But for the first thing, when registering, make sure you click on register. Then that is it. Then the next thing, you're gonna go to log into your account. Then I'm going to show you where you are going to download the app, okay? So that is it. let's go back to the app to show you 1 2 3 that you need to know. So after logging in your account, you'll see, if you are under home, you can see home is right here. Where is that thing? Home is here. This is home. Home is here. So if you are under home, after logging in, you'll be able to see all these things up here. Okay, we have recharge, we have BBM center, we have financial, we have invite friends, we have lucky draw, daily sign in, learn tutorial support. So I'm going to explain all these things with their meanings, or what is their work on this specific website or app. So make sure you listen to me well. So the thing is, the first one we have here is recharge. Though right now the app is not active, so the recharge button is not yet active, and BBM center is when. So listen to me, guys. For the first time, when you log in, I want you to come here. Come here is written, it is written BBM next to home. BBM is right here. So if you tap on BBM, you'll be able to see different levels. And when you get that link on the registration, I mean the link I will put on the description of the video, you're gonna get free, you're going to get free 40 $40 to start feeding a pet. You see, you're gonna get free for 30 days, free $40 to start feeding a pet. So what you're gonna do right now, let me do this. So I've fed a pet, though right today it is not opened because it is weekend. So on weekend you can see master weekend. So on weekends they rest. On weekends they rest. You can see master weekend. So today no rest, no feeding a pet. You can see days here. So they're gonna give you this $40 for 30 days. So they'll always show you the days that you fed the pet. Oh mommy, I'm sorry. So they're gonna show you that. So if you, for the first time, you're not going to see as mine, like it won't look like mine. So what you are going to do is you're going to see something like this. Let me show you. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. You can see free cash, free cash assets. You can see 40 plus that. So you're gonna click on BBM, then you're going to click on purchase. You're going to see something like purchase. Okay, so if you purchase that, you'll be able to feed the pet under BBM. So after that, again, the other way of earning is also lucky draw. Then we have daily sign in. You can also learn more on the learn tutorials page. You can also invite your friends. You can see when every time you sign in, you have to win something. You can see, and it will be credited into your account under your sets. Then you can see you can even win every day. You'll get one chance to play draw. Then you can even win up to 100 USDT, and for you to claim it, there are instructions that they're going to tell you here. Another thing that you need to know is okay, let me now take you back to the app. I wanted to show you those screenshots because of some reasons, guys. Every day, so guys, every day, yeah guys, so after that, after you've clicked on purchase it, then you're gonna see here open. Every day you come, like every after 24 hours you come, open income. If you click on it, then remember to feed your pet. I think you saw when I started the video, you saw something like feed your pet. So you have to feed your pet every day. If you want to learn more, please join Telegram community, ask questions, then also it will help you. For now it's still new. I'm gonna show you something too, guys, and there are many things that you can do. This is a crypto exchange wallet, just like Super X. If you know Super X, it looks like Super X somehow. With this kind of features it has. Super X2 does all these things. You can see, you can share with your friends. So something I really like about it is you can invite friends and I commissions up to 50% commissions. Sign up to get 40 USDT for free. get BBM pets for free for 30 days. Okay, so something I really like about it, you can see. So right now it has not been like the app is not active yet. I'm gonna show you somewhere that you'll be checking every day, because they want to reach 100k people for them to launch the app, so that all these features can be active. Like, I'm gonna show you something. So this is a real thing and a good thing. You can join the community, ask questions, yeah, so that you can know that it is real. You can see, you can invite your friends. They need to recharge, like they don't need to recharge, they don't need to like deposit money. The money they get for free, they can level their levels, they can level up their levels every time they reach the required amount according to the levels shown, or the levels available. So you can see, you can join, many people can, you can just click on invite to get your link. Like you can see, you can copy the code, you can copy the invitation link plus the code too. Another thing that you can do is come here, guys. I want to show you something to show you that this thing is real, and they are still, like you can see, if you click on BBM center, mommy, what do you want again? Oh god. So guys, you can see right here, they are having how many users? Adopt and upgrade BBM pets to get high USDT rewards. You can see right now they have 49,943 users. So they want to reach a 100k for the app too, for them to activate the app. Okay, so you can always level up even with your purchased, like it is free, you never deposited anything. So by the time they activate the app, when they reach 100k people or users, they'll activate the app, so the app will start working. So guys, for more information, you can go to tutorial section, and also join their channel. Let me show you something. Join their So guys, you make sure you join MDAW official channel on their Telegram, so that you can see what is going on, what people are saying. You see, all the things that you need to know are all here. So make sure you join here to see what people are saying, what they are doing. You can see many things are going on in the channel, so you can always follow these steps to claim your pets. Yeah, so you can also see what I was saying there. It is indicated here. Yes, so you can go there. After registration is when you'll be able to join. So yeah, so guys, that is what I wanted to share. So I want to take care of my princess right here. So she's crying. I don't want her to cry anymore. So guys, okay, that is it. That is what I want to share in this video. So maybe next video I'll talk about another thing. So see you in my next video, guys. And for those who have not joined efficient platform, you're missing a lot. Again, for those who have not joined Mida Coin app, you are missing a lot. Watch my videos. I've talked about the whatever apps I'm talking about here. And again, make sure you join MiPass app. All the informations are in the videos that I've uploaded before, so make sure you watch them. You go through my previous videos, guys. That is it. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.